Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. Simple ways how to overcome stuttering. Maybe you're a person or you've seen somebody who tries to speak out their mind, but something is holding them back. Yes, stuttering. And it's not that complicated. But first of all, we must understand the reason why someone is stuttering, where it comes from, and why it's a mental issue. Actually, all the issues with voice, with speaking, with singing are mental issues. Everything that we dream of, everything that we are capable of, and everything that we are thinking is based on the limitations of our own mind. So, when someone is stuttering, the first thing that he or she can do is to find ways how to relax muscles. Do some face massage, go find a massage therapist, or trying out conscious relaxation exercises. For example, face yoga. You do all kinds of exercises. And the face begins to relax, actually. Because the tension that the person holds from the past is stored somewhere in the body. And when we find the epicenter of the tension, we can release it. So the second thing is to do some trauma releasing. There are many methods: tray massage, acupuncture, massage, as I mentioned, but also regression, psychotherapy. A person is able to delve into their past and understand, was it someone shouting at them, someone said shut up, or what it could have been. So when we understand the cause, we are able to manipulate the present. And when we remember that cause that conflicted our own muscle memory does not exist anymore, that we are free from our past, then we make a program in our mind's eye, that we are capable of for everything. So third step is immersing yourself into the sounds, into the sound therapy. For example, Tomati's method. Alfredo Tomati, who was a French ear doctor, found out that listening to certain sounds, people are able to enhance their cognitive abilities, their speaking, learn new languages immediately. Yes, immediately. They are able to achieve great achievements, increase their memory, start singing instantly by listening to certain sounds that are focused. Another thing is listening to a sound healing session for sound part, crystal singing bowls, gongs, and with an intention, we go listen to the sounds and manipulate the outcome. We set an intention to free our muscles or to be better speakers. And one great thing is quantum jumping, of course, to jump from one team to another, to connect with a parallel universe where reality of ourselves is living and doing the thing that we desire in this reality. So we can transfer all the information to this certain reality. So point 4 is doing simple vocal exercises. I will give you some. First one is blurring. And you can do low, high. So next one is for the diaphragm. R, P, T, K. 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 So we are training our muscles that we will be able to articulate our problems. Yes. Or our desires. And the third exercise is making the puppy sound. It helps to relax the tension in our face, so we would have a way to speak. So, and the fourth exercise is singing the ah vocal. And ah helps to open up the throat. So just keep the vocal when you're in a forest on your own. Ah, ah. In the forest you find the most beautiful echo from the trees. So the fifth method is making a pause when speaking. Yes, you don't have to blur everything out at once. Just pause for a minute. Try to speak slowly. There is no hurry. When words become blurry and you become afraid and furry, you see, it's easy to make even rhymes when I pause and I bring the tempo down. So, and the sixth method is learning how to use your diaphragm and your stomach when you're speaking, so you get the power behind it. Like the one exercise that I did, but another great exercise is a breath of fire. Do 1 minute at once in the beginning. It's like a dog is breathing, like you inhale by yourself. You don't have to inhale, it happens naturally. So, but do it through the nose. And when you end the exercise, you breathe in, you hold the breath in, yeah, and you breathe out, and you hold the breath out. And so, I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to delve more into the topic, in the next video down in the description you find 8 exercises for speaking and singing. Have a good day.